Alright, I drive a 2015 Dodge Ram Laramie. Dodge is famous for cheap interior parts, and this is no exclusion. My window regulator button busted on me. So what I did is I pulled the entire unit out. This is the one with the mirror and the left and right, blah, 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 and the lock buttons. This is a $155 replacement. So what I did is I pulled out the switch, which I popped it from the backside using a what we call an Arizona tweaker, and you'll see there's two little black tabs, one right here and one right there. These plastic pieces, these white plastic pieces, this one here and this one here, are what bust off. I used a little bit of Gorilla Glue, glued them together, let it cure for about 5 minutes. Now these have little notches that slip over these two tabs down inside of here. You very carefully slip it back on over that, and then you work it back in to the switch position right here, which is this backside here. Forgive the dirty parts and the dirty fingers. So once I did that, I slipped this in carefully. Try to get the camera on it so that that goes in, and then you would line it to where it goes into the holes. You'll feel it when it goes on, and it's a little easier to see. Anyways, pop it in there, and I slowly work it back inside, and then I use my tweaker to pull these notches in one at a time as I set that back down on there, and that fixes it. I just performed it on my wife's side, so there you go.